maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere, and a place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. Fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store, managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far, just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs, finally see what it means to be living. You see, my old man's got a problem. He lived with a bottle, that's the way it is. He said his body's too old for working. I said his body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. You've got a fast car, but is it fast enough so we can fly away? We've gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or either die this away. I remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk, and the city lights laid out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belong, and I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruising and to stain ourselves, still ain't got a job. I work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted, and we'll move out of the shelter and buy a big house and live in the suburbs. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so you can fly away? You've gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or either die this away.